Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we must solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and addition and subtraction have the same priority. Now in this expression we have addition, division and multiplication. Then we must solve this math expression from left to right. As we know, division and multiplication are equally important, so we must solve them from left to right. Now we have one division here that is equals to 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. So we have 2 plus 1 times 2. And now between multiplication and addition we must solve this multiplication first. So 1 times 2 gives us 2. Now we have 2 plus 2, that this gives us 4. So the final answer is 4. Thank you for watching.